Welcome to this course on integration MySQL database with Node-RED. In this video, we will be exploring the practical aspects of database management, focusing specifically on how to efficiently delete data using SQL queries. We will walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a solid understanding of how to implement this operation in your projects. As we learned earlier, we can take the code from here. We have a delete query, as you noticed, delete from followed by the database name and then the table name informations, followed by where ID equal with a specific value. For example, if we want to delete certain data like Ahmad, we would write number 4, meaning where ID equal 4. Once the operation is executed, the record with the ID of 4 will be deleted. Similarly, we can delete the ID 8, but this time I will choose where name or where city equals Casablanca. In this case, it will be delete the record with ID 2. We need to be careful. If we have a numeric value, we write it without quotation marks. But if it's a string, we write it within quotation marks like Casablanca. Now I will proceed to write the code. One moment. I will write delete with the condition where city equal Casablanca. The operation should execute correctly. I can also write the code in a single line, but this is not an issue. Now I will try changing the age to 28 just for testing purpose. I believe the operation only works with the ID. Let's try with ID greater or equal 1. It should work as expected. That's all for now. We will meet in the next video. We will work on connecting Node-RED with MySQL database. See you in next video.